RAVE dance tutorial for beginners. So you came to the rave party. You wanna relax, have a good time, dance, but you have never done it before. Or you did, but the result was a bit frustrating. Well, today we'll show you the right way to do this. Okay, first, do not dance like this. Respect your partners. That's not ballet, Zumba, or limbo rock. Good God, it's rave. Just learn some moves. Jumper, you jump. Head bang, you bang your head. Womp, you womp. Fist pump, you pump your fist. Remember, you need to relax, or you won't get it. Some more moves. Electro, selfie, twerk. Let the music guide you. Your look should be expensive, comfortable, good-looking, remarkable. Your shoes should be comfortable, expensive, remarkable, good-looking. Also, you can wear sunglasses. They should be good-looking, remarkable, expensive, and comfortable. If you fulfill all the rules, you will relax. And then when you relax, you'll forget all the rules. And the wave of love, joy, and dancing will get you. Don't forget that rave is a brotherhood of men, not that one, but you got it. Remember, love is the point. Love, love, love. Thanks for watching.